It's tax season and the deadline to file is looming. For most people, the 2024 tax return has to be filed by April 30th, with payments also due that day. If you owe money, you could face interest and penalties, but that's not the only reason the deadline is important.
There's a reason it's there. It helps them make sure that everything kind of runs smoothly with their benefits going forward. For older adults specifically, if they don't file, they're not going to qualify for the old age security, need you to complete your taxes, the guaranteed income supplement, the Alberta Seniors Benefit, all their pensions are kind of based on income. So they require you to have your taxes completed.
There are other government programs you need to file a tax return to access, like the new Canada Dental Health Care Plan.
Now, this plan is available to most Canadians without a dental insurance if you meet the income threshold. So if you have a family net income under $90,000, you can apply to get part of your dental expenses reimbursed. But very important, in order to be able to apply for this program, you need to have filed your tax return already. Then the other change is the Canada carbon rebate, right? Which was a very recent change announced by the federal government. So the rebate was completely canceled, but one last payment was made to Canadians. If you haven't filed yet your 2024 tax return, you can still do so, and you'll get your Canada carbon rebate once your return is processed by CRA.
And then there's a glitch that's holding up the process. Some are finding the documents they need to file are missing from their CRA online accounts. This is a known problem stemming from a new document validation process the CRA introduced.
A lot of people who prepare taxes, they're used to just accessing the slips, and you can download them right into a tax return. So you don't have to spend a lot of time keying things in. For a lot of people, it's a lot of extra time. And now for the last week, a lot of extra angst. And we were all hoping that maybe they would extend the deadline, but there's been no such announcement.
In other words, don't bank on an extended deadline. Taxes are due by April 30th. Helen Pike, CBC News, Calgary.